We're shifting our focus to Goa. That is one of India's most popular tourist destinations. And travelers come here not just from across the country, but across the world as well. But the COVID surge here has changed everything quite dramatically. Herman Gomes is in Goa getting us this report.
A sense of emptiness amid memories of good times in Goa is all that stands out today.
On a normal day, a jet ski like this would have been in the beaches of Goa ferrying some of its tourists. There would have been children on a seashore like this who would be building sandcastles. But all of them stands demolished as COVID-19 impacts the coastal state of Goa and hampers one of its most important industries, which is the tourism industry.
Worst hit in commercial and livelihood terms are hotel owners. It used to be a continuous flow of tourists and advanced bookings. That's undergone a sea change.
Impact is very huge, and hopefully we are asking the government, we have met a couple of times as well before, some kind of relief in electricity or in maintenance or some kind of water, and then we need to be open for business.
Okay.
Otherwise this will be impact. We cannot take it anymore.
Okay.
The hoteliers, we cannot take it anymore simply because we are solely dependent on tourism. And then if there are no tourists coming to Goa or in India, we will be shattered.
It's no different for beach shack owners and water sport operators. They've taken big loans. Paying back is uphill, and there are no signs of loan waivers they'd requested.
Water sports equipment like winch boats, and it's very costly, like 60 lakhs and all per boat. So it is a lot of load is there now because there is no business. Earlier it was easier for us to pay and all because there's a business and there is no help from the government. Also we request them also to help us.
So we had a very tough time last season. It will be very difficult if this things continues next season. It will be very difficult for us to manage. I hope that this will stop somewhere.
On a normal day, there would be family members who would be enjoying the pool here in Goa. On the other hand, there would be even senior citizens lying and enjoying on deck beds like these. But today, the scenario is completely different in Goa, where tourism has been impacted because of the second wave in India, and particularly here in Goa. What one is looking at is what hoteliers are telling us is in that they are suffering monthly losses of going into multiple lakhs per month. They've tried approaching the government, but with the state already in a financial crunch, there seems to be very little hope as far as tourism is concerned for the next season in Goa.
A silver lining amid the gloom, local citizen initiatives to fight the pandemic, like this volunteer service in Kavalosim in South Goa.
So we had come together in order to how we can help our village community to get them tested. We have got ambulance services. Then we have a testing facilities. So we take the client or the patient to the centers where the testing is.
Tourism revival and lives getting back on track seems distant yet, amid prayers that the nightmare will end soon. With Herman Gomes in Goa, Vaibhav Verma, CNN News 18.